Good morning, my name is Mike Mattson. I'm the department chair here in Manufacturing Technology. The Manufacturing Technology department is a rather large department that encompasses 7 different disciplines. The 2 main disciplines within our department are machining and welding. We also offer 2 different electronics degrees, renewable energy technology, various pre-engineering classes for high school students, and industrial maintenance courses. If you come to the Manufacturing Technology department, you'll find there's a wide variety of technical subjects that you can study, and we can meet just about every interest level if you're the kind of person who wants to work with both your head and your hands. For example, in machining, if you're interested in building motorcycles, ATV parts, and working with metal in general in a very precise way, then machining may be a place for you. If you're more interested in welding, we can teach you how to join metal together and fabricate large structures. Both the machining and the welding programs are very popular, and there's a huge demand in industry. Each of these programs pays well above average when you get out there and you start working. Students are often surprised to find out that if you spend 2 years learning to be a machinist or a welder, you can easily earn in the mid-20s, sometimes even $30 an hour after a couple of years experience. Other programs that we have in this department are electronics engineering technology and microelectronic systems. Most of the people who study electronics engineering technology will either go to work for industry or in industry after 2 years, or they'll go on and they'll finish their bachelor's degree at Oregon Tech. Electronics engineering technicians and microelectronics students usually go to work at places like Microchip and Intel. They learn how to repair the machinery and to run the processes that are involved in making semiconductor chips, the types that are in your phone and are in your computer. These are some of the highest paying jobs in industry, and it's a small program, but the placement rates are essentially 100%. As a matter of fact, the placement rates for all of our programs are some of the highest in the state. There's a job for everybody who wants one, and the jobs are really, they're well-paying jobs. Another program that we have here is renewable energy, and renewable energy is involved with learning how to design solar systems and wind systems that can power people's houses and businesses and sometimes even feed energy back into the power grid itself. Related to that, we have classes in industrial maintenance. Industrial maintenance is about repairing all of the electromechanical machinery that you find in industry and in buildings. It's very challenging and very rewarding work, and it does pay a lot of money for students who are successful in these kinds of programs. So if you're interested in working with your head and your hands and you like a constant challenge and you want to be compensated for that challenge, there's definitely a technical discipline where you can come to our department, and in anywhere from 1 year to 2 years, you can learn enough skills to get a really solid job. Even if you don't spend the time to finish a 2-year degree now, a 1-year certificate will usually get you enough skills that you can get an entry-level job. Often, once you start that job, your employer will pay for you to continue your schooling. So it's a really good deal all the way around for both students and for industry, so you can kind of learn while you earn. Technical programs at this community college are some of the best values in the entire state. For about $13,500 on average, you can earn a 2-year degree. That 2-year degree is going to pay on average about 18% more than the average job in Oregon. And you're going to get out of here with little or no debt. There's scholarships available, there's an employer reimbursement, and there's programs that can help you work and earn money and learn at the same time. So if you need some more information about the Manufacturing Technology Department or any of the disciplines within our department, please come down and see us. We'd love to schedule an informational meeting with you. And you can set that up by simply visiting clackamas.edu and searching for departments. And under the manufacturing department, you'll find my contact information and the contact information for Kirsten, our administrative assistant.